Divide 717 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. So 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down the 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So 717 divided by 3 is 239. So this much for today and thanks for watching.